With all this tension of the COVID-19 and the lockdown, there is a lot of things happening within each of us. So we can do a lot of things, no doubt about it, but at the same time, we need to take out at least few minutes to an hour in a day for our own self. That is when we realize what are the things that we need to do, the lessons that we have learned so far, and how we can improve it more. This is the time. So we will imagine a golden healing light. Remember to breathe in and out so that you feel more comfortable and relaxed. Imagine a golden healing light shining bright at the crown chakra, which is right at the center of your head. If you can see, if you don't know where it is located, you can just open your eyes and see it's right here on the center, on top of your head. Imagine the golden healing light entering your crown chakra from the cosmic energy. Slowly, it's going down into your third eye. The golden light, beautiful, bright golden light spreading in front of your forehead, center, and back. Slowly, the golden light from your third eye is going down to your throat chakra. The golden light is healing your crown chakra, your third eye, the back of your head, your face, all over your face, your ears, down to the throat chakra. Right now, being at home, there's a lot of things we wish to say, we cannot due to some reason or the other. If there is anything negative that you're holding back, let this golden light heal those negative thoughts, those feelings that you have, and let it go. The golden light is the brightest, beautiful golden light that you have ever seen. From your right shoulder, it's going down to your right elbow, your right wrist, palm, to your right fingertips. Your right hand is totally relaxed. Slowly, from the left shoulder, the golden light is going down to your left elbow, left wrist, palm, and fingertips. Your left hand is in a comfortable position, feeling light and relaxed. Now, the golden light is going down to your heart chakra, that is on the center of your chest. It's healing the heart chakra. And right now, the time is where we really need to heal the heart chakra. The golden light is going down to your lungs, healing each of the organs as it's going down to your solar plexus. Solar plexus is just above your navel, healing the front and the back of your solar plexus. Slowly, the golden light is going down to your sacral chakra. Feel the light going down. Even if you don't see, it's okay. Just thinking about it is more than enough. Feel the golden light healing your sacral chakra, both back and front. Slowly, it's going down to your root chakra. Root chakra is at the base of your tailbone. The tailbone is a sign of security. A lot of us is feeling insecure right now due to the situation that is happening. Let us heal the root chakra, feel more secure,